Not 7:30 in the morning, 7:30 in the evening. Yeah, it's Sunday, so I got a late start, you know. Sunday, supposed to rest. So, you know, church gets over about 11 o'clock. Depends on what mass you go to. So I did get some work done today. I'll show you. Oh. Patch panel. Yep, got the, back up. I got the rockers, outriggers, and this patch panel. I still have some welding to do. I'll finish up in the morning. As you can see, I started the seam, but had a little flame action going underneath the bus. So I'm going to start early tomorrow, clean the concrete floor, make sure there's no flammables. Have not only my bottle of water, but my fire extinguisher handy. It's just, you know, the undercoating underneath the original floor that kind of flares up a little. So the biggest challenge is that rocker. Again, I'm going to have to move where the latches come in. Let me pause this so you can see the doors close. Okay, I'm back. Man, I guess I gotta back up. This is the cargo doors. They're closed. The B-pillars all welded in. So this thing is solid. B-pillars welded in. Got a pretty decent gap. Kind of pulls in a little bit on the bottom. Pulls in a little bit on the bottom, but I got some adjustments still with the hinges. So the gap's not too bad between the doors. Height is pretty darn close. Again, just maybe a 32nd or less. And again, I have that adjustability with the hinges. So here we have this gap. Pretty consistent. Oh, pretty consistent from the top. And as you go down to the bottom, a little wider. So I'm pleased. I'm pleased. Let me turn this around. So yeah, I washed my welding hat. I do have a welding hat. Actually, you're supposed to put it on this way so the bill protects the back of your neck from the sparks. Yeah. I've had this. Oh, I've had this since they invented welding, or invented noggins that could get sparks on them. Especially big noggins like mine. So tomorrow, yeah, fellas, Memorial Day. Been thinking a lot already about my brother. And my stepdad, he was in the Korean War in the Marine Air Guard. You know, we're gonna all have a nice cookout. Hopefully the rain will break enough to where we can fire up the grill. That's it for Busman 54. It's been a long day, but that patch panel, I bet I had it in and out, in and out, in and out about 50 times, trimming, touching up, drilling, trimming. Boy, test the patience. But as you can see, it's welded down. There's no more taking it out. Shutting everything off, I just had to take one more shot. Boy, it's been so long since them cargo doors have been up. Now you can see the inner rocker frame and that patch panel. Boy, the replacement one I have is, I think it was in the bargain area. I don't even think the radius matches. We'll have to see what's available on the internet. I may not decide to fight it. Alright, I was just shutting everything down. Wanted to get one. I looked and said, whoo, look at them doors. Happy dance time, baby. We'll see you. Bye.